The Kenya Certificate of Primary Education kicked off smoothly across the country, with top government officials led by various Cabinet Secretaries supervising the distribution of exam papers.
A number of incidences have, however, been recorded. Among them, a case where 3 candidates gave birth hours before they sat for the exam. Security has also been beefed up in Garissa, Turkana and Baringo counties as the exams got underway.
A spot check revealed that KCPE in schools across the country started well. Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i was in Garissa County, where he supervised the opening and distribution of the exam container before conducting impromptu monitoring at select centers. The government has beefed up security along the Kenya-Somalia border to ensure KCPE exams are done without any hitch. There are more than 1,000 candidates in the region, and arrangements have been made to ensure security is maintained at all examination centers. In Kericho County, a 15-year-old girl gave birth shortly before beginning her Kenya Certificate of Primary Education examination and has named her newborn baby after Education Cabinet Secretary Amina Mohammed. The girl will now sit her examination at Kericho Nursing Home, where she was rushed after going into labor on Monday night. She exuded confidence that she will perform well in the examination and proceed to secondary school. KCPE examinations kicked off in all the 694 education centers in the county without any irregularities being reported on the first day. In Baringo, a candidate at Kaptere Primary School gave birth to a baby girl. The candidate is reported to have developed labor pains hours before the national exams kicked off and was taken to Kabratonjo Sub-County Hospital, where she delivered. According to the hospital management, the girl is in stable condition. In Nyandarua County, over 19,000 people sat for the examination in 460 examination centers across the county. Devolution Cabinet Secretary Eugene Wamalwa supervised the opening of the exam container at Ol Kalou Main Distribution Center. However, a 17-year-old girl from Muti Omwe Primary School sat for the KCPE exams in hospital after she gave birth on Monday. The CS visited the young girl at Bahari Hospital in Nyahururu, where he gave her a message of encouragement and wished her all the best in her exams. 3 candidates did not sit the examinations this year because of registration issues. In Turkana County, the KCPE examinations papers were distributed across several examination centers amid heavy security presence. Security teams distributed the examination papers to various schools as early as 6 a.m. According to Petroleum and Mining Cabinet Secretary John Munyes, who supervised the opening of the exam container, all preparations have been made to have the candidates do the national examinations in a conducive environment.
By the end of this day. Yes.
Drama ensued at Osento Academy in Narok South after education officials, accompanied by security officers, stormed the institution after the owner snapped the directive to have the candidates move to other examination centers. According to the Sub-County Director of Education, Joshua Murira, pupils of 8 private academies were forced to sit their KCPE exams in neighboring schools because their institutions did not meet exam center criteria as required by the Ministry of Education. A 13-year-old pupil from Joy Academy in Endebess, sub-county of Trans Nzoia, has been arrested for attempting to sit the KCPE exam. The Class 7 pupil was about to sit for the mathematics paper on behalf of another candidate before she was arrested. After interrogation, the pupil revealed that the school's director, together with the head teacher, instructed her to sit for the exam. On behalf of the Class 8 candidate, the head teacher and the director were arrested. A total of 1.6 million candidates will sit this year's end of primary school examination. Security has been tightened across the country to avoid any tampering with the examination materials. The examinations will take 3 days and is expected to end on Thursday. Rozongoi, NTV.